Big news, Unifi family! If you're a new Unifi Home broadband or Unifi 5G Mobile Postpaid and Prepaid customer, we've got something special just for you. You can now enjoy a 30-day free trial of all Unifi TV channels plus 12 popular streaming apps. Here's how to get started. Head over to unifi.com.my/free and click Redeem Now. Sign in using your registered email address and enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your inbox. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Redeem Now. For Unifi mobile customers, you'll need to create a new Unifi TV ID. You will see a confirmation message. To watch your free channels instantly, click Watch Now. Remember to always sign in using your new Unifi TV ID. Want more streaming apps for free? Click Redeem Streaming App and pick your favorite apps to enjoy another 30-day free trial. You can cancel anytime before your next billing starts. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy all Unifi TV channels and top streaming apps at all in one place with Unifi TV 2.0. Start your 30-day free trial today and experience entertainment the Unifi way.